welcome back. We are celebrating the whole month of May with mango, and we have another brilliant, easy dessert to make, which everybody loves. And I have someone very special. Hello.
Hi,
What's your name?
my name is Shaunak Ashwinda Thar.
Okay. And Shaunak, which school do you go to? How old are you?
I go to Viti International School and I am 9 years old.
Oh, how nice, Shaunak. Shaunak, we just celebrated your birthday, didn't we, with the football theme cake. I'm so happy that you're here. I know your mom even before you were born, you know that? So today, we are going to make a very special dessert called as a fresh lettuce, okay, with mango. For that, what we need, I'm just going to tell the audience what all we need, okay? So we need some baked vanilla sponge, okay? We need some owl fresh cream, some condensed milk, just ordinary milk, some mango puree, some mango for garnish, and some whipped cream on top to garnish. Alright? So are you ready to start?
Yes.
It's going to be a fun dessert because you're going to get to do a lot of fun stuff. Okay, so first thing you're going to do is take the milk in this. Can you pour the milk into this slowly? Yeah. Yeah. So in this dessert, what we do is we take the sponge and we soak it. It's like a soggy dessert. Okay. Now in this, we are going to add condensed milk. Okay, so I'll add it and you just stir it. Okay. All the measurements for this recipe are given. It's a no-bake dessert, which means you're not going to bake. We're just going to mix everything together and then we'll put it in the fridge to set. Okay. Alright. So we've added the milkmaid. To this now we are also going to add some fresh cream. Okay. This is like the malai that comes on top of the milk, no? That thing. Okay. So Shaunak, you like football, don't you?
Yes.
How do I know you like football? Tell me that.
Because you made my birthday game.
Which was football theme, isn't it? Yes. What other sports do you like to play? Tell me.
Cricket.
Cricket also. Very nice. Okay. So can you mix that together?
Yes.
Mix it all together. Okay. Now in this we are going to add a lot of mango, but for that first we will mix the cream and the milk and milkmaid which is there thoroughly. Okay. So once you have mixed it, okay, what we'll do is we'll leave this as it is here. Okay. Now what we'll do is we'll take the sponge. Can you put this sponge inside this?
Yes.
Okay. Yeah. Does it fit into it? Yeah. Just squeeze it a little bit. Okay. So this is just a layer of sponge which is there. Now you need to poke this. Okay. So take this fork and poke it. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Because this milk and this puree and everything that we are going to put into this. So I have already taken the whipped cream and I have beaten it. You will go back home and make it with your mom. Yeah. What do you do with your mom otherwise at home? Do you do anything in the kitchen, help her or do anything? What do you do?
I make milk.
You help her to boil milk. Yeah. And what else? Just spend time with her when she's cooking in the kitchen. Nice. Now you can also cook, no? Tell her, sit, I will make a dessert and I'll give you. Nice, isn't it? Okay. Can you pour this completely into that? Yeah. So we made the holes, no? So the entire cream, milk and everything will go inside it. Now this dessert needs to be frozen, put into the fridge for at least an hour. Okay. So once this is done, we leave it inside like this. Okay. We let it soak. Okay. So can you see the sponge is already soaking in all the milk and the milkmaid. Now on top of it, we are going to add the mango puree. Okay. So just press it down a little bit. Okay. And then add the puree. So you use the spoon like this and just pour the mango on top like this. Okay. Nice it looks, no?
Yes.
Which is your favorite fruit?
Mango.
Really? How would I have guessed, isn't it? Or I thought it was strawberry, no? Okay, so when I call children during strawberry season, they say strawberry is my favorite fruit. When I call children during mango season, they say mango is my favorite fruit. So have you started eating a lot of mangoes?
Yes.
Yes. Enjoy eating mangoes. This also is something that you'll really enjoy. Okay. Now we'll turn it like this so it's easy for you to pour on this side also. We need mango everywhere, no? Okay. Shaunak, you've done a great job with soaking the sponge and adding this. This is whipped cream. Okay. So we have to just spike the cream on top. Okay. I'll show you once and then you can do it. So you hold it straight like this with both your hands and then just do one drop like this. Okay. So you can randomly do drops. You don't need to do in one line only. You can do in the center. थोड़ा उसको stick करना पड़ता है. Here, hold and do it. Press. Shabash. Yes. Do it. Hold it on top. Yeah. Yeah. Press hard. Use your palm, not your fingers. Like this. Yeah. Okay. We'll put it all on the side like this. And then in the center, we are going to chop some mangoes and garnish it. It looks yum, isn't it? Hmm. Nice. Okay. Now what we'll do is we've got some mango here. We're going to chop that and we're going to put it in the garnish on top. Alright. Okay. Let that just settle. Okay. We'll keep this on the side. Right. See, I've got these knives that you can use. They're not sharp. So go ahead and cut the mango from here. Just use it like a, hold on. Now, put your pressure, all the pressure you want. Yes. Yeah. Okay. Cut it. Yeah. Okay, then this side. Very nice. So we've got 2 halves of the mango now. Okay, I'll just make some pieces and give you, and you can put it on top. And then just for like half an hour or 1 hour, we need to put it in the fridge to set. Okay. Okay, can you put the pieces in the center? Yeah.
Yes.
With your hand you can put it on top. Remove and put. Yeah. Very nice. Yeah. And some more pieces. More the mango better, isn't it?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. So I'll just cut this also and give you. Looks yum, no?
Yes.
So will you go back and make this for your mom at home? Yeah. Okay. Our dessert is ready. We'll put it to set, and while it's setting, we'll do a rapid fire very quickly. Done? Okay. So Shaunak, which is your most happiest day so far?
When I went to Europe with my family.
Really? So you traveled with your parents to Europe?
Yes.
Alright. Did you enjoy a lot over there?
Yes.
What did you like most over there? Did you go and have some chocolates and all over there?
Yes.
Imported chocolates, you enjoyed that, isn't it? Okay. So tell me, who's your favorite person?
My mother.
Really? Okay. And what would you like to, if I had to ask you to make something special for her, what would you make?
I want to make cupcakes.
Cupcakes for her, okay? What? Vanilla cupcakes or chocolate cupcakes?
Half of both.
Half and half. Very nice. Okay. So Sharak, tell me, what do you do in your free time? What are your hobbies?
I play football at home.
You play football at home. Okay. And in school, do you have football in school?
Yes.
Nice. Okay. So tell me, Shanak, that you are ready to taste our dessert and tell
Yes.
everybody how it is. Yeah?
Yes.
Okay. Let's see. So this is your mango tres leches. Eat it with the sponge and the cream and the mango, everything together, okay? And taste and tell me how do you like it. How's it? You're good?
Very
Really good? Very sweet? Or
Yes.
or
Sweet.
very sweet, isn't it? Do you think it should have been less sweet or it is nice?
It is nice.
It is nice. So if I had to ask you to score 10 out of 10 or 10 out of 100 or what?
Not on.
100 or 100 out of 10, is it? So can you give me a high five? You've done well.